Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about maintenance on your AC system. As we head into the warmer months, obviously, we want to make sure your AC system's working properly. Last thing you want to be is on the freeway, in stop and go traffic, turn on the AC, and nothing. Then you're sitting there super hot. We don't want that for you. So there's a couple maintenance items that are great to look at least once a year on an AC system. One of them is the evaporator core cleaning. This is the evaporator core. It's inside the dash of your car. It tends to build up moisture that drips through the bottom of the box. But unfortunately, what happens with the moisture on it all the time, sometimes we start to get a little mold spores, things like that. So the evaporator core cleaning actually will remove that and keeps it clean, removes all the dirt and dust and everything else that sticks to it. The other maintenance item is the cabin filter. These days, if your vehicle has a cabin filter, and a lot of newer vehicles do, is extremely important. As you can see, it catches all the contaminants, prevents it from running into your car where the passengers actually breathe this stuff up. So let's make sure these are replaced too. Then we check vent temperatures, make sure the Freon's at the right levels, and we have no leaks, very important. So get your vehicle in, get the AC checked out. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.